Hi, my name is Jefri Tobing and
Ronaldo Situngkir.
Leonardo Pane.
alright, here we will explain the component of the remote control. This is remote control. Remote control is an electronic device used to operate a machine remotely. First, we will uninstall the remote control. First component of remote control is a transmitter. This tool serves the sense instruction from the remote control to electronic equipment that's controlled. This tool is LED, infrared ray, that is on remote control pane.
Second, remote control panels. These panels contain a number of buttons on the remote control plate. Each button has different functions. The shape of these panels varies depending on the type of device is controlled. A third, electronic circuit board. The function of this component is to read the button that is depressed and then generate transmission in LED to send a signal with the pattern according the buttons present.
Fourth, receiver. This tool is inside an electronic device that will be collected by remote control. This tool plays a role in detecting the pattern of infrared signal sent by the remote control according to instruction from the remote control. Okay, that is all we can explain. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.